winner of the how-to category is...
So we were sitting in a room when we noticed Moment was hosting another film festival.
Oh, did you hear Moment's hosting another film festival?
We had fun creating a film last year and thought we'd give it another go this time.
This past weekend, we flew to New York to premiere our short film, How to Take the Perfect Photo.
The first thing we did when we arrived is take the Michael Scott tour of Manhattan.
I'm gonna go get me a New York slice.
Most people, when they come to New York, they go straight to the Empire State Building. It's pretty touristy. I come here. There's great places to eat. Red Lobster, Bubba Gump.
This is the heart of civilization right here.
Locals take the subway. Never mind, there's a guy pooping in a cardboard box down there.
We hung out with some friends.
Did some work.
And on Saturday night, we premiered the film at 368.
We are here, 2019 Moment Invitational.
Welcome to the Moment Invitational 2019.
The short films were all incredibly well-crafted and pushed creative boundaries, so we were wildly honored to premiere our film alongside 14 amazing filmmakers from around the world.
I admire your work. Give it a try.
Winner of the how-to category is...
How to take the perfect photo!
So, Mango Street, you have a few words. You can share those now.
Well, first of all, thanks to Moment and Freefly. We think story and having something to say is always more important than gear, so we think it's really awesome that Moment does this. And we're really honored to be a part of it. And obviously, Eduardo, David, and Philip, their films were amazing in this category. So it's really stiff competition, and we're honored to have submitted. And thanks everyone for watching.
Let's back this up a little bit. So there were 5 different submission categories: narrative,
Travel,
experimental,
mini documentary,
and how-to.
We've never made a how-to video before, so we thought we'd give that a try.
We thought it'd be a fun challenge to shoot a how-to video in the style of one of our favorite directors, Wes Anderson.
Plus, what else were we gonna do with this old loppy boy hat?
So we decided to combine elements from some of our favorite films of his into one short film called How to Take the Perfect Photo.
We spent a long time writing out the script, borrowing the voice of a few Wes Anderson characters, like Gustav and Zero from the Grand Budapest Hotel.
The script also included screen direction to help make the shoot go as smoothly as possible.
We wanted to get out of the city and shoot in a more remote setting, so we decided to hop on a ferry and head to the Channel Islands.
It's also the most Moonrise Kingdom-y location that we could find.
While it was raining when we first arrived, the clouds soon parted and left us with a lot of sunshine and intermittent cloud coverage, which provided some challenges for us.
We'd get our shot set up, wait for the sun to dip behind a cloud, and then shoot, hoping Eric would remember his lines. He did.
Eric, our expert photographer,
Will, our amateur photographer,
Kyra, our good luck charm, who helped us win last year, so we brought her again just in case. Also, she's a terrific model.
and most importantly, this cameo.
Moment anamorphic lens,
Moment telephoto lens,
Moment wide lens,
an iPhone 10,
an iPhone 7 Plus,
the Ronin S,
a Manfrotto smartphone clip,
ND filters.
and a Sennheiser lavalier microphone.
Before we shot our film, we wanted to take the anamorphic lens out for a spin.
Obviously, anamorphic lenses are huge in film productions, but we spent an afternoon testing out its photo capabilities for funsies.
If you want a chance to win $15,000 in new gear and a new phone, click the link in the description and vote for our film, How to Take the Perfect Photo, and you'll be entered in this sweet, sweet giveaway.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell if you haven't already yet. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.